That's right. Samantha and I have been beating this drum that AI can change your life and make you a better investor for 14 months. And in that 14 months, we've taken 668,000 and turned it into 2 million, which is right at 199% rate of return. And yet, we can only attract about 900 people who are willing to spend $75 a month to get access to the information so that they can more than double their portfolio in a given year. It kind of blows my mind. It causes me to wonder of the world, what kind of world we have when I hear that people wait in line to spend $5,000 to see a Taylor Swift concert or a basketball game or a soccer game, and yet they won't pay $75 a month in order to improve their financial life exponentially. So I don't know, and I say, well, yeah, but maybe they just figure you got lucky, Kerry. You and Samantha got lucky, and you invested in those data centers. You found CoreWeave and Coherent and Marvel and Micron and Nvidia. You found them early last year, and so you did well. But you probably won't do well in the future. Well, I would challenge that because we aren't investing in those data centers. In fact, we've taken our profits on them, and we're moving towards we're beating the drum now, if you will, for the delivery of AI. It's just like write this ticker symbol down. You've never heard of it before. EQPT. It's an equipment rental business. They're just think, ask yourself, how many bulldozers are there in the world? And how do they get them from point A to point B and keep the maintenance and everything? It's on a clipboard. Somebody walks around with a clipboard and has the number, walks over to the machine, looks at the number and gets the history of it and when it was maintained and manages it. What if they started doing that with AI? Write down the ticker symbol EQPT, and you'll find that it's about maybe a $20 stock. I think it's about 16. You'll more than double your money in the next 3 years because again, think of what AI can do managing all those bulldozers and all those jackhammers and all those front loaders and how that will save enormous amounts of money just by through the efficiency. You better cut your holdings in Caterpillar because if they become that much more efficient, they need fewer bulldozers. That's what AI is all about, connecting the dots and figuring out where you should be buying your money. And if you don't own Zeta, Zeta, you don't own the next big company that the last letter is A. You don't understand. Yeah, they entered into a partnership with Palantir. That should have given you a clue. And then do you own XZO? What the hell is that? Property and casualty insurance. You think there's any more screwed up industry than property and casualty industry that if you enter AI, artificial intelligence that analyzes all the data in the world relative to a hurricane coming to Florida, do you think it could be more efficient than somebody sitting with their scribbling to figure things out? No, come on, this is AI, and we've been beating the drum for 14 months, and we've proven it to you. Well, yeah, we fell 1% short of 200% gain, but folks, I'm here for one one reason and one reason only, and that is to help the small guy recognize there's only one way he's going to become a millionaire. I mean, yeah, you can get lucky in the birth canal, and you can manipulate it on the altar, and maybe you can become the next Elon Musk, but I doubt it. But if you'll invest in growth companies, in a company that has figured out, if I can manage this bulldozer better than the guy on the in the back room there, if I can do it with AI and manage it more efficiently, I can build a business. Yeah, you can, and they will. And again, one last chance. The ticker symbol is EQPT, and I got a bunch more of them. I just came up with that one yesterday. I went to a source that I keep secret, that says, who's the fastest growing company in the world today? Whose revenues have increased more in the last year than anybody else? Okay, now understand, you gotta put some sense into it, because about a year ago, well, maybe 6 months ago, it was silver. Yeah, it was silver. And you know what happened to silver? Because there was nothing behind it. Damn it, it's just a rock. It's just a rock. It doesn't generate profits. It doesn't create efficiency. It doesn't eliminate duplication. It's just a rock. But EQPT, you're going to double your money, probably in not 3 years, probably in 2 years. Okay, I'll keep beating the drum, maybe. But I'm getting a little tired of you sitting back and saying, "Oh, I'm not going to spend $75 for him to tell me how to double my money, how to triple my money. I'm not going to do that." Okay, stay on the path you've been on. Look over your shoulder and see how it's worked thus far.